Hey people, so this particular video is very different compared to so many other more than 1500 videos that I've made so far, because this video is essentially about the fact that finally today, December 3rd, 2020, I've mustered the courage to conduct angel healing classes, and it will just be a 2 hour session, and it'll be for 500 bucks, because I feel that if you charge too low, then the value is lost. And so that's what, in fact, I'm going to be making a series of videos also on how to be able to connect with one's angels, because I come from mixed parentage, as in my mom was a Hindu and my dad a Catholic. So I've grown up very confused about the concept of God itself. So uh, that's where, from the time I can confidently say, from the time I was 17, I think, I had begun to feel the presence of angels around. And there are angels, like certain things that I've written about also in my ebooks. So people do let me know in the comment section in case you are interested to be a part of my angel healing classes. I'm from Hyderabad, but we could always have a Zoom call, or you know. So it is just 500 for a 2 hour session, and through a whole series of videos also, I will be conducting angel healing classes. So on that note, thanks for watching, and please subscribe.